This is the normal house in Malaysia. And in this normal house lives a special little robot, one of the newly discovered species amongst its kind. It has a fascinating behavior as well as featuring unique functions. It has never been seen before in the animal kingdom, until now. I'm Marshmallow Man, and today we're taking a look at the new Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop P. A wild Mi robot can be seen at its nest, resting. The Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop P is a unique little robot. It is the kind of thing that we call a cleaning robot, or scientifically known as a cleanest robotus. It also has a special combined dust and water compartment. Other than collecting the dust from vacuuming, it also has a water tank for its mopping function. The Mi robot sees the world through its laser detect system, or LDS for short. The robot uses the LDS to chart its surroundings and, through the system, it constructs a map for itself. The robot is quite low in height, therefore allowing it to reach tight spaces such as under sofas. The robot has just a single side brush and mainly travels around using its wheels, which are capable enough to handle small bumps in its path. Its stamina is quite low, with a capacity of only 3,200 mAh and can roughly cover around 180 square meters. Luckily, the Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop P is a smart cleaning robot that goes back to recharge when its battery is low and resumes cleaning afterwards. Today is a good day for the robot to clean, as the floors are a bit dirty and a mess. We may be able to see the little robot in action. And now, it hunts. During the initial startup, the robot will position itself to get its bearing. The Mi robot starts by cleaning the edges of the room first and gradually moves to clean the middle. With its LDS, the robot is able to avoid obstacles including curtains. As mentioned earlier, its low height allows the Mi robot to move around under furniture with no problem at all. See how effortlessly it graces through the dust? As the Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop P feeds, it leaves behind a clean trail. It has a special pattern of moving which makes it very effective in cleaning. The curve-shaped moving pattern covers more area than it would if it moved in a straight line. Based on our experience, a robot that moves in a straight line leaves a lot of gaps in between when cleaning. This results in the cleanest floor we've seen so far when compared to other cleaning robots we've tested. However, it does use a lot more energy than the others in comparison. In a house that's about 800 square feet, it takes about one recharge to complete a session of cleaning, while other robots can do 2 cleaning sessions in a single charge. The Mi robot is also relatively quiet as it clocks in at 50 decibels during our tests. For a vacuum cleaner, I do believe that the noise level is quite reasonable. The Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop P can clean over carpets as well, but it doesn't have auto carpet recognition, so if you have mopping mode turned on, then the robot will mop the carpet as well. It can also travel over bumps, allowing it to feed longer and further to places where the dust is much dustier. The Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop P is the cleanest cleaning robot we have seen so far with its curve-shaped cleaning pattern. For the price of Rm1399, we think that it is priced very reasonably and we definitely recommend it. The Mi robot is a simple robo. It does not have a lot of bells and whistles, so the pros and cons are also simple. We like that. What we like about the robot is that the robot's special movement pattern is more effective at cleaning. What we don't quite like with the Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop P is that the battery is quite small. This means that you're going to have to charge the robot more often than other cleaning robots in the market. However, despite the small battery size, the Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop P does its job better than most of its peers. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel for more videos and reviews like this. You can also check out the official Portdo.net Facebook and Instagram pages. We also have our very own Telegram channel where you can find all our news and videos posted every day. Until then, this is Marshmallow Man signing off. Goodbye everyone.